Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about French classical menu. French classical menu presently consists of 13 courses. All continental dishes are grouped in 13 categories according to the main ingredients used in preparation, method of cooking, taste and texture. And the categories are arranged in sequence. Each category is trimmed as a course while compiling a menu. Dishes must be placed according to the sequence of the course. A thorough knowledge of the sequence of the French classical courses, their examples, and product knowledge is essential for food service professionals to compile a well balanced menu and to extend good service to the guest. The very first course is hors d'oeuvres, which is appetizer. This course consists of a dainty and delicate dishes of tangy, salty nature aimed at stimulating appetite. It is served in small quantity. These appetizers are neatly arranged in a tray with compartments, each having an appetizer service spoon and fork for service. Potage, this is soup. All, all classes of soup such as clear, cream, puree, velouté, broth come under this course. In the absence of appetizer in the menu, soups assumes the role of appetizer. There are basically two types of soups: thin soup and thick soup. Oats, pharanx, eggs, and pasta. All types of egg preparation except plain boiled and fried eggs. Pasta course includes items such as spaghetti, macaroni, noodles, ravioli, lasagna, and rice. There are many styles of cooking and preparation of eggs such as boiled and coated, poached, or scrambled. Pasta dishes are spaghetti, lasagna, and ravioli. There are more than 200 varieties of pasta. The ingredients, size, shape, and color determine the type of pasta. Here are the examples of egg preparation and pasta. Poisson, fish. All types of fish preparations except smoked fish are preparation are offered in this course. Poached fish preparation either covered with sauce or served with sauce. Fried, grilled, or baked fish, which often is dry and served with the appropriate accompanying sauce separately. Entree, meat and poultry. This course is said to be an entry in the meat course. It consists of dishes made up of small pieces of meat and poultry. Poultry such as game bird, ducks, and chicken. Releve, joint. Joint of meat, lamb, mutton, beef, veal, and pork cooked by various cooking methods, especially braised, roasted, and boiled. It is the heaviest of all 13 courses, hence, in this course is included in a menu, it will be the main course. Potatoes and one or two vegetables are served with this course. Sorbet. Sorbet are water, ice flavored with champagne or wine or liquor and is served in a tall or short glass or in cup with a teaspoon. It is intended to give rest during a long meal and to stimulate the appetite for the rest of the course. During this course, Russian cigars and cigarettes are passed around. Roti, roast. In this course, roasted poultry and game birds are included. This is the second heaviest course of the 13 course. In this is served as the main course, then potatoes and vegetables are served. Legumes, vegetable. All vegetable preparations come under this course. Vegetables may be served as the main course in a shorter menu. These are vegetable dishes that can be served separately as an individual course or may be included along with the entree, releve, or roast course. Entremets, sweets. All kinds of sweet preparations such as souffle, custard, puddings, food, beverages, canapes, ice creams, pastry, and so on, whether hot or cold, are included in this course. Fromage, savory, cheese, or savory. They are served hot on toast. Savory or cheese may be served as an alternative to the sweet course. Dessert, fruit. Only fresh fruits and nuts are served in this course. Any prepared pre-cut fruit should be considered as an example of sweet course. Fresh fruits that can be comfortably managed by the guests themselves at the table should be preferred in the menu. Cafe, coffee. Coffee is served at the end of the meal with or without milk. Liquor are usually served with the coffee. Thank you.